Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Wednesday, January the 29th, 2020, we have today 3 beautiful Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. We will start first with the binary Sudoku. So let's get started. We have here a double O. Here one, there one. We have a double O here. So here one, there one. We have a double O here. Here one, there one. We have a double O here. Here one, and there one. We have a double O here. Here one, and there one. We have a double O here. Here one, and there one. Then we go to the ones. Double one here, and here an O, there an O. We have a double one here. Here an O, and there an O. Then we have a double one here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double one here. Here an O, there an O. Then we go back to the double O's. We have a double O here. There one, there one. We have a double O here. Here one, and there one. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have here a double O, here one, there one. We have a double one here, an O, there an O. We have a double O here one, there one. We have a double one here an O, there an O. We have a double O here one, there one. We have a double one here an O, there an O. We have a double O here one, there one. We have a double one here an O, there an O. Then I see here in this row 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 5th and the last one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Same like here in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th and the final O of this column here, that means that I have here 1, 2, 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. If I place it there, the O, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So it must be in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. This is a 1 and this is a 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the fifth and final one here, then we have a 3 O's here. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, here one, there one. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the fifth and final O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here an O, there an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So this is the final, the fifth one. Double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the fifth and the final 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O here. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 ones. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. We have a double 1 here. Here an O, there an O. We have a double O here. Here and 1, there and 1. We have a double 1 here. Here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have a double O here. Here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. This is number 5. We have here a double 1. Here an O, there an O. Double O here. Here and 1, there and 1. And we finish in 7 minutes. Right. Alright. Okay. It's a nice binary Sudoku. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file of this binary Sudoku so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you later with the medium Sudoku. Thank you. Bye bye.